Open your PowerPoint presentation. Select the slide where you would like the automatic playback to start from. Navigate to the Transitions tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. In the Timing group, locate the After checkbox. Check the After box to enable automatic slide advancement. Enter the amount of time you want to elapse before the slide advances in the field next to the After checkbox. Repeat these steps for each slide that you want to auto-advance. To apply the same timing to all slides, click Apply to All after setting the timing for one slide. Once all timings are set, click on the Slideshow tab in the ribbon. Choose the Setup Slideshow button in the Setup group. In the dialog box that opens, select Browsed at a Kiosk, Full Screen, under the Show options to ensure slides play continuously. Click OK to close the dialog box. To test the automatic playback, click on From Beginning in the Start Slideshow group under the Slideshow. Remember to save your presentation to keep the timing settings. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.